What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a little bit of a different type of ride and review today. I'm going to The Stand. It's a comedy club up by Union Square. My friend Tyson, who is a chef, he was the owner of a whole hog Carolina style barbecue place called Arrogant Swine. It was in Queens. The place was awesome. He's a friend of mine, and he's got a special carnivore dinner tonight where he will be featuring lots of meats from my old employer and his current employer, Golden Packing, the best meat purveyor in the city, by far, hands down, no questions about it. So the menu looks sick. It's like it just features different proteins and, you know, various different ways. I think he's got like a carnivore pizza, steakhouse pizza, I think it's called, with like cream spinach, thin sliced dry aged beef, and roasted potatoes. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty awesome dish. Then he's got some other items, obviously a steak. He's doing a blood pudding, a blood chocolate, not blood pudding, blood chocolate, sanguinaccio. Very old school Italian item. Really cool. So it's getting late, so it's going to be dark soon. I usually don't do video content at night because my settings suck. So what that means is I will be just doing the ride up and not the ride home. This won't really be a review per se. I know his food is amazing. I know it's going to be amazing. Carnivore dinner. I know he plans to do them more, and he's done a couple already. But the cool thing is this is also sponsored by Woodford Reserve. So they're going to pair each course with some really nice cocktails. Should be fun. So I'm on Avenue D right now. Just going up. Gonna get up to 14th Street and make a left. Gun it over to Union Square, maybe a loop around on Park, and then come shoot back across on 16th Street. Yeah, it just rained this morning, and you can see there's still some puddles around here into the evening. But no worries. I'll be riding home in the evening at night, so hopefully by then they'll be fully dried out. Heading across. It's nice having the Chimera out on full rip. The last few times I've taken it out, I've had the settings dialed down a bit so that I could get more range. And, you know, I top out at like, I don't know, 23 miles an hour, 24, 25. But now it's on full rip because I'm not going so far where I'm going to be worried about range. Nice on 14th Street, you can really open it up. we at? 2nd Avenue here? Just about there. Kid doesn't know how to ride. He's gonna get out in front of me. Thought he was gonna bust his ass on that city bike. All right, taking this right here on Park. And then I'll be doing another right on 16th. Traffic here. All right, slowly creeping through. There's crazy people out, yelling, screaming. And all right, here we go. I will see you on the inside.
My Diet Coke will have Diet Coke bottle. Awesome, thank you. So, he's 29.
That's a steakhouse pizza?
Yeah.
It looks incredible.
I like how the potato's hiding under the meat. Creamed spinach, dry aged tenderloin, and roasted potato.
Oh yeah.
This one went to market?
I never came back.
Woodford Reserve cigars. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, you bought a barrel?
Yeah, that's the best.
Right, and that's what this dinner is about. Every time we buy a barrel, we do a guest chef dinner where we have, food that complements
The spirits.
spirit. Yeah.
That's
So we
cool.
picked this out somewhere in December. We went down to Louisville and picked this out, and it arrived about a month ago. And here we are launching a cocktail with it on the menu and pairing each course tonight with a different cocktail that goes along.
All right. So we're gonna get nice and buzzed up.
We're gonna get nice and lit.
Hello friends, thank you so much for joining us. Truly an honor to be presenting this selection that they made here at the stand. A little bit about Woodford Reserve. We are the #1 super premium American whiskey in the world. And it's a world-class selection that was made by the staff here as well as by Brian. They all went down to the distillery to make this personal blend. And Woodford Reserve is based on flavor. There's over 212 flavors that you can find in a bottle of Woodford Reserve. And our classic Woodford Reserve is perfectly balanced across 5 areas of flavor: sweet aromatics, fruity floral, spice, grain, and wood notes. And while our classic Kentucky Straight Bourbon is perfectly balanced across those 5 areas of flavor, this personal selection is that at its heart, but it showcases really the gorgeous sweet aromatics. As it sits here, I've been picking up, cherries, almonds. It's evolving into s'mores, vanilla, cream soda. It's such a wide range of flavors, and Dean has done an amazing job curating the cocktails. And Chef Tyson has put together an amazing menu covering a wide range of flavors, textures, body, and it shows the versatility and complexity of Woodford Reserve and showcases the gorgeous flavor and aromatic profiles of the stand's personal selection. So thank you so much for joining us.
So with the cocktails, we wanted to play on the versatility of Woodford, and especially with this barrel. So we'll see how it can be made in so many different ways. Like the first one we just had that was made with beer, and then we continue on and we mix it with wine, we mix it with cheese foam, and kind of just see all the different paths that you can take with it while complementing the amazing.
So I don't have a diversity of skill sets, so everything here is carnivore focused, as you might have picked up already. The first course, Happen Pizza, obviously, is actually not written on your menu. It's a Vietnamese style grilled lamb that's wrapped in a sesame leaf, followed by a roasted pig head, which I brought one around. If you haven't seen it, let us know. We'll bring it around again if you want to talk to it, tell us your most intimate secrets or whatnot. Finally, we will be ending our entrees with a 90-day USDA Prime dry aged strip steak, aged and butchered by my employer, Golden Packing, the best meat purveyor in New York City. For dessert, that's where the challenge lies. I ask you that you all be brave. It's going to be chocolate, but it's also going to be blood. Yes, it is real blood. But I know you're gonna pull through. There will be blood. No, there will be blood. Thank you very much for all being here.
A few things. As you have all seen, we've got some cigars in front of you. These have been infused with the stand's personal selection bourbon. A fun little touch. Also another way to showcase the versatility of what we do with Woodford Reserve. So cheers, y'all.
Cheers. There it is. Golden's finest.
90 days right here.
He looks marvelous.
Sorry? A glass? What are the other brands?
Hey, Vinny's here, Tyson. He's trying to see some of the magic happen.
No pressure.
We only need portions for 20 people. All right.
Oh man. Wow. Crust is perfect. What is that you're making?
Parmesan cream.
Parmesan cream. Oh wow, he rubs the side. He rubs the side with the Parmesan cream? The porchetta sounded great on the menu.
I was like, what are you doing? This is great. And he took it off.